All right, the demolition has begun, and let's see the mayhem. So, it's always interesting. With this house, I was told this house had never been touched. The lie detector said that's a lie. So, right off the bat, you get through here. Boom. All that's brand new. And then the roof is sagging bad. That's why it's sagging. So, probably. Okay, I'm zoomed out now. It's better. So, you can tell, if you look on here, there is a lot of termite damage in this house. If this house was all wood, it would have been really bad. The large beams, there's no termite damage. On all of these, there is termite damage. There is no active termites, but I'm still going to have to treat this place really well. It's got some interesting things going on in it. So the back half, I don't know how good you're going to be able to see this. The back half, the rafters has been replaced. So that's interesting. We're just gutting it right now. They did the framing a little weird here. You see, usually the sheetrock is going to go on the rafters, and then they added these pieces, and these pieces is holding up another piece. So it's a little funky. So it's going to take a little figuring out when I start with the sheetrock. So it's interesting. I think this place should go quick compared to the orange house, just because you have concrete floors. Like, I plan on getting all over this place. We're going to be working on it all day today. Taking the trash. The roof looks in fairly decent shape. I'm going to definitely have to do some patching. All of this is going to have to be replaced. Some of the windows, most of the windows I can't save, so it was interesting. So as I was pulling up on this property to start the demo, someone texted me and offered me $900 to rent it. I was so close to whip my pretty blue truck right around and get gone and rent this bad boy out, but it's like the house really needed work. I don't want to be a slumlord. A guy I always watch, his name is Homemade Home. If you've never watched his channel, watch his channel. He was just saying the other day about, I mean, there's just different levels of renters. And with like me, I don't want to rent out no $2,000 a month places. But I want to rent out something in between. And this, you see this? This, oh, you see this? That is dumb full. This was all a bad fire hazard. Like, this thing could have went up at any time. This house could have went up. I need to get some videos of me working, but I'll be honest, I have no idea how to do it. I just make the videos on my phone. You can see the inside of the roof here. This roof will be a galvanum 29 gauge metal roof. You can get the metal roof in 26 or 29 gauge. The 29 gauge will last forever. Like, I'm not worried about it not lasting. You know, I actually was considering something. After I get this remodeled, I'm seriously considering turning this into a tiny house. Like, seriously considering it. Like, is 12 by 20 is what it is. So it's like I could easily turn this into something. So, been cleaning up the back there, a bunch of junk. Here it is. Work. The reason I switched from the remodeling and went to my land home packages is it's just less work. Like, it's less work. Like, it's a different kind of work. You have to make phone calls. You have to line people up. But this is actual physical labor. This is me, boots on the ground, working. You can see, and you can see where that roof sags. I'm debating on a color for this place. I'm probably just gonna go white. The other houses is light gray and white, so probably just gonna go white. I'm not trying to turn this into no $2,500 a month house. Like, probably like $1,500 and I'm good. Keep on thinking about that tiny house. I've never built a tiny house. I made a tiny house, but that thing is intriguing me. Literally, you got plenty of room to have another driveway. Like, it's plenty big enough for a one person deal. And that would turn 3 rentals into 4 rentals. So even if I got like $600 a month, $500 a month for it, that would add up. Add up. Like and subscribe, people. Like and subscribe.